tired of the DirectX 11 DLL gaming error? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'm going to fix your multimedia stack and eliminate that pop-up. This DLL file is a DirectX 11 auxiliary component. It offers specialized tools for processing 3D models and textures, enabling games to utilize the advanced rendering capabilities of the DirectX 11 graphics engine. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. If the DirectX 11 Update 42 DLL is preventing your software from launching, you likely need a graphics runtime refresh. Install the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to repair legacy DirectX files, and perform a GPU driver update to resolve any issues with hardware-accelerated or compute-based components. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the DirectX 11 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Please use caution. Replacing the DirectX 11 Update 42 DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to the DirectX 11. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure DirectX End-User Runtime remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.